Hey everyone, it's Yoslyn and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a closet decluttering video. I have a lot of clothes that I don't wear anymore, so I thought it'd be a good idea to declutter my closet and film it for you guys. Also because I love watching these videos, so that's why I decided to film it. But without further ado, let's get started. First top is this one. I actually made a video on how to make this. It's a Brandy Melville dupe. I'm pretty sure that's what I called it. It got 2 stains when I put it in the dryer. I don't know how it got that, but I'm going to keep this just because it's a comfortable sweatshirt and I think I can get that stain. Is this cardigan. I'm going to be keeping this just because I really like it. Okay, first, please excuse my hair because I know it looks like a mess. I had no time to do it. And second thing is, everything that I am going to be keeping in my closet is going to be fast forwarded, and every time I have something that I'm not going to keep, it will go back into regular speed. I don't know. But yeah, just thought I'd say that. I don't know if you guys can see. This one is stained. I actually thrifted this one as well. I've had it for a good amount of time. I feel like it got its use out, so I'm going to get rid of this shirt. I don't think I'm going to donate it because of the fact that it's stained. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it, but I am going to get rid of this one. Here I have this knitted sweater. I don't think I'm going to wear this. If I'm going to be honest, I don't think I'm going to wear it, so I'm going to get rid of it. And I have this white knitted sweater. I'm not going to be keeping this. I don't know. I just don't like sweaters that are knitted that much. I don't know why, but I'm getting rid of that. I have this Brandy Melville top. It's kind of worn out. I don't know. I think I'm gonna get rid of this. This top right here, I bought it and I think I've worn it once. And I keep telling myself I'm gonna wear it, but I honestly don't think I'm gonna wear it. I've had this for like 6 months now. I haven't worn it once. So I think I'm gonna get rid of it. I think I'm gonna get rid of this one. I used to wear it a lot, now not so much, so I'm gonna get rid of it. I've had this shirt for a very long time. I think I'm going to finally get rid of it. Another sweater. I remember when I got this, I was super excited and I loved it. I don't wear it that often, so I'm going to get rid of it. This shirt's kind of unique. It's like velvety and it has like a little twist here. I don't wear it often, so I'm gonna get rid of it. The sleeves on it are just too tight that I don't like it, so I'm gonna get rid of it. So as you can tell, I cleaned about half of my closet and I did get rid of a good amount of clothes. I'm quite happy with that, but I've been filming for about an hour and I'm very tired. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a part 2 of cleaning my closet out, and that will probably be up someday this week. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!